In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printables in Canva to sell on Etsy. This is a fantastic way to express your creativity and generate some extra income. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once there, you'll land on the home page. First, you'll want to decide on the type of printable you'd like to create. For this tutorial, we'll use stickers as an example. So in the search bar, go ahead and type in stickers. Once you hit enter, Canva will display a variety of templates specifically designed for stickers. Look through the options and find a template that catches your eye. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. This will open up a new window, allowing you to see the template more closely. Here's where you'll start customizing it. Click on Customize this template, which gives you the freedom to adjust the design to match your style or theme. Now that you're in the design interface, it's time to get creative. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll find an Elements tab. Click on it to explore the many design elements Canva offers. Within the Elements tab, you'll see a category for stickers. Click on it to add fun and vibrant sticker elements to your design. Once you're browsing the sticker elements, feel free to experiment. Play around with different shapes, colors, and styles to craft a design that feels just right for you. If you decide that the initial sticker element isn't quite what you're looking for, don't worry, you can easily change it by selecting a new one from the options available. This flexibility allows you to create a unique printable that stands out in the marketplace. As you're customizing, remember that Etsy customers are often looking for quality and originality, so try to put a personal spin on your designs. Aim for bright, eye-catching colors and trendy themes. These are currently very popular among buyers. With your design complete, it's essential to save your work. Click on the download button at the top of the Canva screen to save your printable. Choose a file format that works best for your product. Typically PDF or PNG works well for Etsy listings. Once downloaded, you're ready to list your printable on Etsy. Make sure to write a detailed description, set an appropriate price, and upload high quality images of your product to attract potential buyers. And there you have it, you've just created your very own printable stickers using Canva, ready to be sold on Etsy. By following these steps, you've taken the first step into the world of digital products. Keep creating and don't hesitate to explore even more designs that might catch the eyes of Etsy shoppers. Good luck and happy selling.